These are the elevators here at JCPenney here at Sunrise Mall, Citrus Heights, California. Darn. Oh yeah, these are fat Dovers. This is probably the only Macy's I know of, or JCPenney that I know of, that has two elevators. Motor.
This thing hasn't worked in years.
Random inch line indicator. Let's try to ride both. Yeah, these are probably black buttons. We can go up again on this one and then.
Are those EPCO?
Yeah. Yeah, look at these cabs. 5,000 pound capacity. I love the black front. Do you want to switch them here?
Sure.
Okay. Drinking fountains in the middle of the elevator. Yeah, this one has a faster door. And the button.
There's no glue on this one.
Oh yeah, look. Original interlock.
Kone sensors.
Inch line of it?
Yeah, it's the same as Monsters.
Look at that. Wait. Look at the 2 button. Watch the 2 button. Is it lighting up?
No.
Oh. Interesting.
I don't know if this was just never wired up or if they never worked.
Which one?
But I've never seen it work.
It looks kind of blue.
I don't know.
Look at that. You can literally take it off.
I'm gonna go up one more time on this one.
It's up to you.
Okay.
They completely removed the Dover logos. This one has the original motor.
It's a little longer. Go close my door.
Same cap as the other one. Yeah, big elevators.
This one seems to have more
Look, they're
original
both here.
part. Yeah, they sit on the peacock.
Oh, they do? Yeah, that'll be it.